welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Cathie Fillion, and today I'm going to show you how you can preserve puzzles using Mod Podge Puzzle Saver. Take a look at this cool holiday puzzle that I put together. So cute. I love all that retro images, and the whole thing is glued together, which is why I can actually pick it up like this. Now, if you love doing puzzles, you're gonna wanna preserve them. Mod Podge Puzzle Saver comes two ways, an 8-ounce bottle like this. So if you do a lot of puzzles, this would be a good value for you. If you just want to preserve one puzzle, you could get the 2-ounce bottle that comes with the brush. And this brush, the foam brush, is great for doing puzzles. I personally prefer using a 1.5-inch wide flat brush. That's just my own personal preference. The main trick to preserving a puzzle is that you want to make sure your puzzle saver is getting down in between each of those pieces to really glue it together. It's a super easy project, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First step in preserving a puzzle is building a puzzle. So go ahead and build your favorite puzzle, and then you can preserve it using Mod Podge Puzzle Saver. When I'm doing a puzzle, I like to do the outer edge first. So I look for those flat edge pieces and build the border, and then I fill in the design. Look at how cute. I love this retro Santa puzzle. Now, underneath the puzzle, before we preserve it, we're going to use a layer of wax paper, or parchment paper would work here. I'm going to layer this up in 2 layers with a little bit of an overlap in the center just to be able to fit my puzzle. You'll begin on the printed side of the puzzle. I'm applying the Mod Podge Puzzle Saver, and I'm trying to use even brush strokes all going in the same direction. This is important for the top printed side of the puzzle. That way you will have less brush stroke marks. I'm also really trying to get the Mod Podge Puzzle Saver in between those puzzle pieces to really get the little bits of glue down in there. Make sure you get your edges, and once the entire thing is top coated, you're going to wait 20 minutes for dry time. After 20 minutes, you can flip your puzzle over, and we're gonna top coat the back side. Now, I'm not worried about even brush strokes on the back side because no one's gonna see them. So you can go ahead and do some crisscross marks, and that way you know you're getting that Mod Podge in between the 2 pieces of puzzle. After another 20 minutes, you can flip your puzzle over, and I like to do one more top coat on the printed side, again with even brush strokes. Then once it's dry, I let it cure for 24 hours before I hang or display the puzzle. If you have some tackiness, you can go ahead and spray it with spray Mod Podge. There you go. That's how easy it is to preserve a puzzle. And I want to see the puzzles that you're making, so go ahead and use those hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts so everyone back at Plaid can see what you're doing. Have a great crafty week, and I'll be back here next week with another fun idea.